ندوة a seminar عن العولمة about globalization. So this is a seminar about a globalization. هذا الحوار بين زينب وفاطمة.
نعم.
Mm.
Can I read?
Yes.
كانت ندوة مفيدة. لماذا لم تحضري؟
Mm.
كنت أمس
Mm.
مشغولة. زارنا بعد
بعض الضيوف.
الضيوف.
Right.
حضرت
Mm.
الندوة
الندوة.
في معظم مدرسات الجامعة وطالباتها.
Mm.
ماذا حدث في ماذا حدث في الندوة؟
في الندوة. Right.
مهم.
Do you know,
الندوة.
do you know the meanings of all texts?
What happened
Mm.
in the seminar?
Yes. Do you know this one and this one, this one?
مهم.
كانت ندوة مفيدة. It was
مهم.
very beneficial seminar. لماذا لم تحضري? Why didn't you attend?
مهم.
Why you didn't attend? Fatma says, كنت أمس مشغولة. I was busy. زارنا بعض الضيوف. Some of the guests visited us. زينب says, زينب تقول حضرت الندوة معظم مدرسات الجامعة. معظم a lot of female teachers of the university and female student attended the seminar. ماذا حدث في الندوة? What did happen in the seminar? Yes, read it here.
آه، آه، كانت
Hmm. المتحدث.
moment. كانت المتحدثات فريق فريقين
Hmm.
فريقين فريقان
Hmm.
فريقان يدعو إلى
إلى
ال-
العلماء.
إلى العلامات وفريقان يرقص العلامات.
Right. كانت المتحدثات. متحدثات means female speakers. So female speakers were فريقين, two teams. Got it?
Yes.
فريقا, first team, a team. يدعو إلى العولمة. So يدعو call for العولمة globalization. So the one team,
وما
yes, were calling for عولمة. وفريقا, and the team, and a team, so it is the second team. يرفض العولمة, reject العولمة globalization. So the second team was rejected العولمة, the globalization. So one was in the favor of globalization and second one was opposite of globalization.
وما
Hmm.
حضرت كل
Hmm.
فريق.
Right.
يقول الفريق الأول
الأول.
الأول
وما
Sat
حجة كل فريق. What does it mean?
the first team said.
This one. وما حجة كل فريق.
Mhm. Sat Satuwadi
Yes. What was the
al-Awlama.
argument of every team? What was the argument of every team? So يقول الفريق الأول. First team says this one.
Satudi al-Awlamatu ila tanmiyati
Hmm.
jamiyati
Hmm.
adwali
Right.
hasatan
Hmm.
adwala al-fakirata.
All right. Very good. ستؤدي العولمة. The globalization leads إلى تنمية towards development جميع الدول of all countries. خاصة
The,
especially.
the development globalization leads
Hmm.
all all countries, especially poor countries,
Especially poor
uh,
countries. Very good.
and وماذا يقول الفريق الثاني, and what the second group said.
Yes, very good.
إن الأولمة ستؤدي إلى
ستؤدي.
ستؤدي إلى هيمنة الدول اللغات على الدول الفقيرة.
Hmm. Right. ستؤدي إن العولمة ستؤدي the globalization leads إلى هيمنة الدول الغنية towards towards domination of the rich countries or على الدول الفقيرة or the poor countries.
Um, what does it mean indeed?
إن means indeed. Yes. إن العولمة.
Globalization leads
Hmm.
to the domination countries
Hmm.
reach the domination countries uh, to the country poor country.
Yes. أحسنت.
لماذا? Why? لأن الدول
Here. وكيف انتهت الندبة؟
uh, because rich countries ستف- ستفرض لغاتها وثقافتها على الدول الف-
فقيرة.
الفقيرة.
Hmm.
We will impose
Hmm.
uh, language and culture to poor countries.
Right.
أنا أتفق مع هذا
Hmm.
الرأي.
Right.
I agree with your opinion.
Right.
So Sarah, أنا أرفض
Hmm.
العولمة.
Right.
I reject
Good.
globalization.
Good.
وأنا لنا أترك لغتي وثقافتي.
Hmm.
And she and I
وأنا
am
وأنا and I am and I لن أترك cannot. I will
live.
not. I will not leave لغتي my language وثقافتي my culture.
mm,
التدريب exercise.
الت- yes التدريب. زينب حس... حضرت
مم.
آه،
ندوة.
زينب حضرت ندوات عن الأولى.
Is it right? Uh,
moment
did Zainab so
attend
Zainab حضرت ندوة عن العلماء. It means that Zainab attended the seminar about globalization.
she attended
Yeah, she didn't attend because
لماذا لم
because
آه،
she was very busy and she didn't attend.
not Fatima.
Zainab, no, just 1 minute. Yes, Zainab attended. Very good. Sorry, Zainab attended. It is right. The second one.
To Sarunia chciałaś? Na razie nie. Chodź, dam ci banana. Hadarat,
Hmm.
hadarat kullu al-mudarisati
Hmm.
wa at-talibati
Hmm.
an nadwa.
Hmm.
Uh, all
Hazarat.
mudarisati, all teachers and students attended in the seminar.
I think it's not right because a lot of teachers and students, not all teachers and students.
Uh-huh.
So it's not right.
Uh, so it should be muazzam.
معظم المدرسات. Yes, it should be حضرت معظم المدرسات والطالبات الندوة.
Then we have Yadu al-Fariqu al-Awwalu
إلى العولمة.
uh, ila al-Awlamat.
Hmm. The first team calls for globalization. Is it right?
Yadu, what is Yadu? Because I
Yad'u means
forgot.
call for, to be in the favor of anything.
Uh, um, uh, globalization. Al-Awalamatu, yes.
الفريق الأول. It is right.
Wa fa da muazzamu al-huduri al-awalamata.
Hmm. Most of attendees رفض rejected the globalization.
Most of rejected.
Yes, most of them rejected the globalization. So it is right.
Mhm. Fatimatu wa Zainabu mutafikatani fi رأيهما.
متفقتان मतलब both were agree.
متفقتان, what does it mean?
Agree. Both of them, Fatima to Zainab, both of them, متفقتان were agree برأيهما in their opinion. Yes, it is right.
Now we must make in the correct this sentence. Or no, answer the question.
Yes,
لماذا
answer.
لم
Hmm.
لماذا لم تحضر فاطمة
لماذا لم
أن
تحضر فاطمة الندوة؟
So why the Fatima didn't attend the
Yes.
seminar?
Hmm.
Uh, uh, زينب مشغولة
كانت
جدا.
زينب مشغولة جدا.
كان زينب مشغولة جدا. The next one. كم فريقا كان في الندوة؟
مم. How many teams
آه،
were there in seminar?
في الندوة آه، فريقين.
Yes, في الندوة فريقان. Two teams.
مم.
Yes. Uh,
ما ما رأي
ما رأي الفريق الأول?
opinion. What is opinion?
The
The
opinion of
first.
the first team. Hmm.
ستودي
دي. Hmm.
الأوامة
أولى تو.
إلى تنظيمات
Hmm.
جامعة الدول
لا سيما.
خاصة
Hmm.
الدول
الفقيرة.
الفقيرة.
Right.
تو ما رأي الفريق الثاني؟
Hmm. The opinion of the second team.
Bananka? Ale ja nie mam komputera. Narysuj mi ładny rysunek, a za chwilę będziesz miała grecki. Ale pograsz trochę. Y, y, Inna al-awwalamata
Hmm.
sayuwaddi ila
ستؤدي إلى
y, haymanati
الدول
adwali al-ghaniyati
الدول
ala
الفقيرة.
adwali al-fakirati.
Right. هل تكلم الرجال في هذه الندوة؟
هل تكلم الرجال في
الرجال
هذه؟
men.
Sara, co ty robisz? Sara is crazy last days. Nie, masz nie brać komputera. Takalama, it is speak, yes?
Hmm. Uh,
Uh,
did the men speak in this seminar?
mhm,
No, not didn't. ما
mhm,
تكلم الرجال في هذه الندوة. They didn't speak. فالجواب
mhm,
ما تكلم الرجال. ما means didn't. ما تكلم الرجال في هذه الندوة. Men didn't speak in this seminar.
mhm. الرجل ما تكلم.
ما تكلموا. الرجال ما تكلموا في هذه الندوة.
Mhm,
Because in this seminar there were معظم المدرسات female teachers and female students. There were no men. Is it clear?
mhm.
In this one here مفردات words. التدريب الأول first exercise سل بين الكلمتين المتضادين.
Join.
يجعل بين between opposite words.
Mhm.
يختلف means differentiate.
Jak? How?
يختلف differentiate.
Appreciate?
Differentiate different. Different. Differentiate.
Different, yes.
Yes. Difference. To be difference with the someone. So this is yattafiqu. Agree. To be agree with someone. Got it?
يختلفوا, it is different.
Yes, difference. To be differentiate. Difference. To be difference.
Aha, I understand.
Yes.
يبدأ.
And this one, yattafiqu is right. Yattafiqu, to be agree with someone.
يبدأ.
This one, yattafiqu. Yattafiqu. The fifth one.
Mm, I don't.
Yattafiqu. Yattafiqu.
But I want, aha, you do like this. يتفقوا, it is similar, yes?
Yes. Yattafiqu, they are opposite. You should
Mm.
match the opposite words. Not,
Yes, yes, but يختلفوا, it is different.
yes.
And يتفقوا, what does it mean?
Yattafiqu means to be agree with someone. To be agree with someone. Agree. Got it?
Mhm.
So these both are opposite.
And now يبدأ, what is يبدأ?
Yabda means to start.
To stop, to start.
He is starting.
يبدأ. And stop, how it will be?
Yantahi. Yabda means he is starting. Yantahi means he is, it is ending. Ending.
قبل, it is
Hmm.
قبل, before.
Before and ba'da after.
And after.
Hmm. Sari'a,
uh, سريع. What
speedy.
is سريع?
Speedy.
Speedy.
Right. Very good. Speedy. Bati,
uh,
slow. Slow.
Slow. Mhm. غنية.
Ghaniya means rich.
Aha, and فقيرة, poor.
Poor. Al Hadith, new.
New. القديم, old.
Oh, very good.
I
Ahsan.
must I must learn this vocabulary.
Hmm.
And here we must join sentences.
Hmm.
What is الندوة?
An-nadwatu, seminar. Seminar. So,
Yes, seminar. I am
what is
not know.
seminar? Can you choose any sentence of them?
Can we translate these words on the right? And I will join. العلومات.
Al-aul.
العلوم.
Yes.
العلومات globalization.
First of all, we are doing these sentences. After that, you will do this one. So, what is تقدم الدولة في مجال الاقتصاد? Taqaddum means go ahead. Got it?
Go ahead the countries.
of country. في in majal field. اقتصاد economy. In the field of economy. So what is this? This is
في مجالي. What is مجالي?
majal means field.
How?
Field. In the field
Ah,
of economy.
فيل.
Field.
الاقتصاد.
Hmm.
الاقتصاد. What is it?
الاقتصاد economy.
How?
Economy.
Economy.
Hmm.
Saya سيطرة
Hmm.
شخص على شخص أو دولة على دولة. But what is سيطرة?
Saitora means domination.
Domination. Domination people على شخص. How is it?
Domination of shakhs means a man.
شخص it is person, yes?
Person,
What I
yes.
say person, but what does it mean? شخص على شخص.
Hmm. شخص على شخص. The domination of a person or another person.
Mhm.
Are, أو means are.
A country
Country
of.
or country. So this
Mhm.
is, yes, country or another country.
أها. إن تفريد
Hmm.
دولية على أخرى ثقافتها.
Hmm.
Mhm.
Yes. To impose a country or another country ثقافتها, their culture.
Mhm.
Got it?
So what is
Tafriza mean to impose. And tafriza to impose, to make anyone bound of something.
أخرى
Yes, other country.
ثقافتها.
ثقافتها, their culture. To make, making of a country, the another country bound of their uh, culture.
Mhm. كلام يوحد رأي الإنسان.
Yes, كلام, a statement.
Statement كلامي.
Yes, كلام, a statement يؤيد, that support رأي الإنسان, opinion of a person.
يوحد it is support
Hmm. يؤيد
opinion.
يؤيد mean to support.
عدد من الناس يناقشون
Hmm.
موضوع
عدد من
واحد.
الناس. عدد means number of people. عدد من الناس, number of people. يناقشون, يناقشون means discuss, to make discussion. موضوعا واحدا one subject.
Mm-hmm. So adadu, what does it mean?
عدد number.
Number
Hmm.
of people.
Yes.
Yunakifuna.
The- yes, number of people. When the number of people discuss يناقشون discuss موضوعا واحدا about one theme, one topic,
Yes.
one topic. Hmm. So now you can see here الندوة seminar. So this one.
Mhm.
عدد من الناس. What is the seminar? A number of people discuss. When the number of people discuss about one topic, so when the number of people discuss one topic, so it is seminar. الندوة عدد من الناس يناقشون موضوعا واحدا. Match this one and this one.
I wanted to ask you
Yes.
um, if you have a book,
Hmm.
can I make you photo?
Can you repeat? I didn't understand what you said.
I will make you photo. Um, I will make you a photo on WhatsApp. Okay.
Yes, yes, yes. I will make.
Uh, Moment, and I will ask if you have this book because maybe sometimes you can do with me this book
Hmm. Yes.
also
You
because
don't
it is
have this. You don't have this book and these pages.
and I have. We
Yes.
will do this book, but oh, listen al Qur'ano.
Yes. Lisanul Quran.
Yes,
Yes. So I will download. I have no at this time, but I will. I can download it for you.
but you have this. I have this book
Yes.
printed, and I never did this book. And if you can, one time in a week, you can do with me lesson with
Yes.
this
Yes.
book.
Yes. I will do. No problem. So do you have this book? Do you have Lisanul Quran in PDF?
I think I have. I will
So so
look at and I will
so send me.
share.
You send me. So I will check it. Okay. No problem.
So we have Anna Duato seminar.
Yes, a nadwa. So what is nadwa? This is the definition of nadwa.
Uh-huh.
Numbers of people discuss one topic. This is seminar. Easy?
Uh-huh.
Awlama. Globalization. أن تفرض.
Al awalatu globalization. It is which one?
Hmm.
Jim.
Yes,
Jim.
أن تفرض. This one, Jim. Yes, أن تفرض دولة على أخرى ثقافتها.
And we have Atan
التنمية
me
means development. التنمية. This one, ألف.
development. It is
تقدم الدولة في مجال الاقتصاد. Go ahead of any country, going ahead of any country in the uh,
uh,
in the field of economy.
al haimanato.
الهيمنة means domination, just like this.
Dominate.
سيطرة
Mhm.
شخص على شخص, domination of a person or another person, or دولة على دولة, or country or another country. Right?
Mhm. And now we have was al-hujjatu.
الحجة, حجة means argument. So this one, دال, كلام يؤيد رأي الإنسان, a statement
Mhm.
which support opinion of a person.
Mhm. I take.
This is ملاحظة نحوية, something about نحو. ادرس,
Uh,
learn,
Udrus wa-
ولاحظ and focus.
focus. Focus.
This
Which is focus? Aha. Lahuz.
this is, yes, لاحظ, ضمة, فتحة and كسرة and سكون. Do you know these things? This is easy, I think.
Yes, I know this. Kasra
So
dama.
this is very simple thing. So the الطفل there here is ضمة, الطفلة here is فتحة, الطفلة here is كسرة.
Mhm.
Yes. يجلس here is ضمة, لا يجلس here is فتحة, لم يجلس here is سكون. Do you know سكون?
I know sukun. It is
Yes.
spot.
So this is simple things. These are some boxes. المربع, box. So يدرس, it is سكون.
I have listened al Quran. I will send you all
Yes, yes, sent me all.
I found, and you have all, and also teachers' books you have.
Yes, I received. So,
I sent you.
hmm, okay. So inform me uh, when you want to learn this book. So inform on that day. Inform me on that day, okay?
So when you will download, tell me, Katrina, today we will have listen one day in a week.
Yes, today we will do
No, no. When you will
tomorrow.
download,
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, no
uh,
problem.
you will
Okay, no
tell me,
problem. I will do.
Katrina, next week we will start.
Yes, yes, okay, no problem. It is easy. This is Baita.
We
Yes, here is Fatha.
uh-huh.
Alma, here is Fatha. As
Baita ilma. What does it mean, ilma?
ilm is knowledge.
Ilmi. Mhm. As-sahatu,
As-sihhatu, here is Zamma. Health.
health, yes. Yaktub, yaktub, right.
Yes. Here is Yaktuba. Here is Sukun. Al-Quran. Here is Dhamma.
Al-Quranu,
Hmm.
yes.
Bil Huzur. With attendance.
Bil,
Huzur with attendance.
attend.
Yes, attendance.
Mhm. Yakulu,
Yaqulu says,
eat. Bikuli, by everybody.
yes.
Yajlis, sit.
Yes, sitting. Yuhaddisu
Yuhdisa,
speaks. Speaks.
ibil masjidi.
Yes,
Uh,
with the mosque.
Mosque, yes.
Hmm.
Yes, I translated.
Hmm.
Sara, co robisz? Limaza, co robisz? Eh, limaza lam tahduru.
Hmm. لماذا لم تحضر means why you didn't attend.
Attend.
Hmm.
Al-kalimatu madbutatan.
مضبوطة means what is here. لم تحضر here is سكون.
Aha.
السكون.
Ismu al-kalimatu.
العلامة means what is here. السكون or ضمة.
Aha, I understand.
Yes.
يتحدث العلماء عن
العلماء.
العلماء عن العلمات.
Hmm. يتحدث speaks. العلماء, I told you that there's two meanings, scientist, and the second is Islamic scholars, religious scholars.
عن العلمات.
Hmm.
So here we have يتحدث دم.
Speaking.
He is speaking, but it is دم at the end.
Yes, ضمة. Right. يتحدث انضم.
دم.
Hmm.
لم يتحدث.
تحدث. لم يتحدث.
لم يتحدث.
Hmm.
سكون.
Yes. الطلاب.
الطلاب عن العلمات. What
Hmm.
is العلمات?
عولمة من globalization.
أها. لن يتحدث
Hmm. لن
التلم
يتحدث. Here is sa. لن يتحدث.
لن يتحدث.
Hmm.
Yes.
Right.
فتحة. التلميذ. التلميذ it is friends.
Hmm.
عن العلمات.
لن يتحدث التلاميذ. تلاميذ means students, you can say. Students of any teacher. عن العولمة about globalization.
About globalization.
Hmm.
تتسارع الدول.
تتأثر means affect الدول الغنية والدول الفقيرة. الدول الغنية rich countries والدول الفقيرة and poor countries. تتأثر means are affected.
دول it will be
الدول ضمة.
دم.
Hmm.
تساعد الدول
الغنية
الغنية.
الدول الفقيرة. الدول here is فتحة.
الفتحة.
تساعد means help.
تهيمن الدول الغنية على الدول الفقيرة.
تهيمن means domination, dominate. الدول الغنية the rich countries تهيمن are dominating على الدول الفقيرة. دول here is كسرة over poor countries.